Hello, grade 7. Uh, this is a tutorial to show you around the course and how to work through our content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick look at the course here and then show you a good way to work through the content and find the discussions and the assignments. Okay, so here's our homepage. You will see our news at the top of the screen here. This should be in all of your classes. You can get in touch with me by following the instructions here. You'll also see our Google Meet link in the Meet the Teacher widget and also up on the toolbar up the top here. You'll see my welcome message, and then usually every week I will post what's happening this week in CTF. So you'll see an announcement that looks like this. Okay, to find the content, you click on the content icon, and that will take us to the content area. That's where our lessons are that you'll see. Right now, you will see what looks like 4 different lessons. So these are all part of lesson 1. This first one is just the introduction to graphic design, which is what we're doing over the next 3 weeks. The first one is the lesson, and so the lesson 1 play. So that's going to show you how to play with AutoDraw. Lesson 1 Learn is a tutorial. So this video will be in tutorials, as well as some other lessons on how to access the technology and how to use the technology. The Lesson 1 Create is the project that you're going to do, and then the assignment is where you hand it in or where you submit it. Okay, so let's quickly look through those. So this lesson, and most of the time it's going to be the same. It's going to be a lesson, or you're going to learn something, you're going to play something, play with something, and then you're going to create your project or create your assignment. So this is the lesson. There's the link to our slideshow from the other day. It talks about typography. There's the video of the day, and then it gives you some examples of fonts and different kinds of typographies. Then it talks about the think and play. Now, this is what the activity will be in the next part. When you go to the next screen, I like to click on the arrow or the next page, and that will take us to, in this module, it will take us to the tutorials. So this is the learn part of the lesson, the learning part. And for now, this is going to get busy with lots of different tutorials. I'm going to add some more to this today. So there's a tutorial for AutoDraw. So that's a YouTube video I created for AutoDraw. This is the how to use the template, the assignment template. This video that I'm making now will be in here, and you can see some other videos that are coming. Okay, so once you've looked at those tutorials, you can come back to this tutorial page as often as you like. Then you're going to go to the next page. This will be the task that you're doing. So you'll notice this is the same that was on the lesson page. So this gives the task. So open AutoDraw, start by writing your name. It gives you all the instructions here. Okay, and then further down the page, as well as some links to the videos that talk about those 4 things that we're learning about this week. And then further down the page, you'll see the examples that I made, my name, my way. So Mr. Clark, I did one shape up here, another one using the cloud kind of a shape, and some different shades of gray and black. Then my stop sign that I created in class, and then my Mr. Clark, Mr. Clark, Mr. Clark rainbow style that I also did in class. Okay, this week there's no discussions, but usually this is where a discussion would be. And then you click on the next arrow. Now, if there was a discussion, the next page would take you to the discussion. But for this lesson, the next page is taking you to the assignment. So this is the assignment. Read through. All of this is something that we talked about, but it's just written out in the assignment page. Okay, so here is the template that you click on. That will force you to make a copy, and then you paste the pictures and then write the text in the template. Okay, there is a tutorial for that as well. You follow the instructions. The assessment will be based on whether you complete it or not, as well as some feedback that I will give you. Okay, and this is where you go and upload your assignment. So when you do this, you'll click on upload. If you have connected your Google account, if this will be, or this is different for teachers. So normally what happens for you, choose existing is the one we want to see. So choose existing, and then I will click on Google Drive because that's where it is, and then I'll find my assignment in Google Drive and post it, okay, or submit it. Okay, and that's a little tour of around our class. So I hope that helps you learn to use D2L a little bit better. We'll talk to you soon.